Almost nobody knows about this simple ChatGPT hack that we will reveal in this video that makes trading so easy, and the result will make you speechless. In this video, we're going to show you how ChatGPT made a highly profitable trading strategy that you could easily use to make money fast. First, I asked ChatGPT to make a highly profitable trading strategy with the help of the AI-based TradingView indicator called Machine Learning KNN. As you can see, we got a complete trading strategy in seconds. It was not perfect and had room for improvement, so I tweaked it to optimize its performance, and the result will shock you. This ChatGPT strategy involves 4 free TradingView tools, and the first indicator to add is the Machine Learning KNN-based indicator. This indicator analyzes historical data to predict future market movements based on patterns in the data. I always thought that mindset and experience are key factors in trading, but every time my chess computer beats me with brute force, I get my doubts. Call it classification or prediction. The two-dimensional KNN algorithm just has a look at what happened in the past when the two indicators had a similar level. It then looks at the nearest neighbors, sees their state, and thus classifies today's signal and predicts whether a stock price is likely to go up or down. Although this indicator does not repaint, it's crucial to wait for the candle to close before identifying a valid entry point. And it's very simple to read because the indicator makes red and blue labels on the chart, depending on the prediction of the market's direction, and the opacity of these labels varies on strength of the signal. However, it's important to note that this indicator should not be used in isolation, as it may produce false signals. Let's add the next indicator to the chart, which is called ART's EMA ribbon. EMA ribbons are a series of exponential moving averages with different lengths that are plotted on the same chart to create a ribbon-like indicator. Traders can determine the strength of a trend by looking at the distance between the EMAs, as well as identify key areas of support or resistance by looking at the price in relation to the ribbon. When the price is above the ribbon and the ribbon is sloping upwards, it's indicating that the market is in an uptrend. That helps us identify potential buying opportunities. And when the price is below the ribbon and the ribbon is sloping downwards, it's indicating that the market is in a downtrend. That helps us identify potential selling opportunities. When the ribbon is expanding, it helps confirm a strengthening in the trend. For example, during very strong market trends, the ribbons will fan out, and when the ribbons contract, it indicates possible consolidation or pullback in price. When the lines of the ribbon cross, it can indicate a potential trend change. Some traders may wait for all the ribbons to cross to confirm a price reversal, while others may only need to see a few of the EMAs cross before taking action. The next indicator ChatGPT gave us is the stochastic RSI, also called stock RSI. This is an indicator used to identify overbought and oversold conditions. The stock RSI ranges from 0 to 100, so when the stock RSI is above 80, it is considered overbought, and when it's below 20, it is considered oversold. Basically, it can measure a stock's momentum based on the strength or weakness of the RSI. For a last confirmation before an entry, we need to add the 200 exponential moving average. The EMA is a type of moving average that places more weight and significance on the most recent data and can indicate both short and long-term trends in the market. The EMA is also referred to as the exponentially weighted moving average that reacts more significantly to recent price changes. Now let's move on to the entry criteria for a long trade. The price must close above the 200 EMA and the ribbon must be green and also close above the 200 EMA line. The machine learning indicator must give us a blue label that indicates a possible uptrend, and lastly, the stock RSI must be at the oversold area. When these conditions are met, we can enter a buy trade at the close of this entry candle, with the stop loss below the candle. The target is set at 2 times the risk. As soon as the price reaches 1% profit, then move the stop loss to break even to reduce the risk like this. This trade made 2% profit, which is very good. Here's another example of a buy trade to help you understand the strategy. In this example, both the price and the ribbon are above the EMA line, and the ribbon is green. The machine learning indicator generated a buy label. Furthermore, the stock RSI became oversold, indicating a potential buying opportunity. You can now enter the market at the close of this entry candle, For a short trade, the price must close below the 200 EMA and the ribbon must be red and close below the 200 EMA line as well. The machine learning indicator must give us a red label that indicates a possible downtrend. And lastly, the stock RSI must be at the overbought area. When these conditions are met, we can enter a sell trade at the close of the entry candle with a stop loss above the candle. The target is set at 2 times the risk. As soon as the price reaches 1% profit, then move the stop loss to break even to reduce the risk like this. This trade also made 2% profit from this strategy. Here's another example of a sell trade to help you better understand the strategy. In this example, both the price and the ribbon are below the EMA line, and the ribbon is red. The machine learning indicator generated a selling label. Furthermore, the stock RSI became overbought, indicating a potential selling opportunity. You can now enter the market at the close of this entry candle. As you can see, this trade also made a 2% profit. Here are some more trades that are taken when backtesting this strategy 100 times. This sell trade gave us a 2% profit. This buy trade gave us a 2% profit like this. And again, this buy trade gave us another 2% profit. So here are the backtesting results. The starting account balance was set at $10,000, and after 100 trades, we got 178%, meaning the account balance is now $17,870, which is pretty amazing. With this ChatGPT strategy, you could easily pass your FTMO challenge or other major prop firms like my Forex funds, and many others using this strategy. After backtesting this strategy on the Trader Edge website, we were able to achieve an impressive win rate of 68%. You can see the overall percentage is 178% in just 100 trades. The max drawdown was only 3% of the account, which is good for your FTMO max drawdown limit. The risk per trade is only 1% off the account because this is recommended by most professional traders. After all, this will extremely reduce your overall drawdown in your account. And as you can see, the profit target is set to 2%, and the account size is set at $10,000. So, with a 68% win rate and a percentage gain of 178%, you could easily pass your FTMO challenge or other major prop firms like my Forex funds and many others if you just put in the work and discipline to follow this strategy made by ChatGPT. Before using any trading strategy, it's important to thoroughly backtest it and verify its effectiveness. This means testing the strategy on historical price data and evaluating its performance over a significant period. This is just one of many trading strategies we've tested. So if you like this video, we think you'd love to watch these videos next.